In this video, I'll show you how you can earn up to $450 per day with no experience and no investment required. So step number one, you need to go ahead and go over to Fiverr.com. Now, I'm sure most of you are familiar with Fiverr. You're just going to go to the top right hand corner, you're going to click on join, and here you can continue with a free account to Fiverr. So join with Facebook, Google, Apple, or enter in your email here. So once you've created your account on Fiverr, you'll be taken into the back end where there are different gigs. Now, this method doesn't involve selling anything on Fiverr. We're not going to be using the Fiverr services. What we're going to be doing is using the Fiverr affiliate program, and we're going to get paid every time we can get someone to buy a gig on Fiverr. Now, if you go ahead and go to the commission plan, that will open up this window here. Okay, so here we are on the commission plan. Now, if we scroll down, you can see Fiverr have different plans depending on your needs and what you want. If you want a revenue share, do you want a flat fee? Fiverr has a lot of different plans we can make money with. So you can see here the Fiverr CPA plan will pay you between $15 and $150 when your first time buyer purchases a gig. So if we scroll down here, you can see Fiverr CPA commissions. You'll get paid between $15 and $150 depending on what category your buyer purchases from. So if they buy a Fiverr Pro listing here, which can go up to $1,000, you'll earn $150 in a flat fee. If they buy a plan or a gig in the industrial and product design niche, the data science niche, and so on, you'll earn $50 flat fee. And then if you keep scrolling down, you've got all of these different categories here. You've got logo design, they'll pay you $30 flat fee. And you can keep going, you've got illustration, social media for $25, and so on. And then all of these other categories are going to pay you $15 flat fee. So look, right, if we click on one, for example, t-shirts and merchandise, that will take us to the category here, which will pay us $30. So if someone buys this one listing here at $5, even though it's very cheap, I will create an awesome custom typography t-shirt design. Even though it is only $5, Fiverr will guarantee that they will give us $30 for making that sale. This is kind of like an incentive for you to drive new traffic to Fiverr so you can start earning money. So this is very powerful, and I'm going to show you how you can make money with this method and how you can promote Fiverr gigs to people who haven't bought from Fiverr before. So you can start earning $30 commissions like this, or $40 commissions, or even $50 to $150 commissions. So you need to go to Fiverr and go to the Fiverr affiliates page that I'm on now. And here you can go ahead and click on join now in the top right hand corner. Now here you need to sign up for a Fiverr affiliates account, enter in your first and last name, your email, a username, a password, and then on account type, if you have a company, choose company. Most of you probably that are watching this don't have a company, just click private. And then main source of traffic. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can either click no or yes to this answer. If you click yes, you can enter in a URL here. If you click no, it's fine. You'll still probably get approved. What I would do though, even if you have like a small social media following, whether you have like an Instagram profile, Twitter, YouTube, just enter something in here if you do have a source of traffic, because we're not going to use any of those social medias, but you just need to get approved. So make sure you just give some links that will help you get approved. Then you can enter in your country and you can enter in your Skype if you want to. You don't need to enter in your Skype, so then just click next. Now, once you've signed up, you'll be on the back end of the Fiverr affiliate page. Now, it looks a bit confusing, but I'll show you exactly how to use it and how we can get our unique link so we can start to earn money. So here is the page, and what you want to do is you want to go to marketing tools and then go to default and deep links. That will take you here to the Fiverr CPA links. You've got the Fiverr CPA, Fiverr Hybrid, and all of the different Fiverr plans. Now, we're promoting the Fiverr CPA link, but what we're going to do is we're going to promote a specific category. So going back to the commission plan here, if we scroll down, we can choose which category we want to promote. Now, I'm going to show you an example in the $30 category. So we'll earn $30 every time we make a sale. And I'm going to show you with t-shirts and merchandise. So we're going to go to the t-shirts and merchandise section, and we can do this two ways now. We can get the link to the t-shirts and merchandise section and just show a broad listing of all of the people offering this gig, or we can go onto specific listings like this one for $10. We can then copy this, and then if you go back to the Fiverr affiliate page, you can go landing page URL in the top right hand corner and paste it in. That's going to update this link here. So now your unique link will now go to a specific listing. Where is it? Here it is. So now your unique link will go to this listing here, which will offer a typography design shirt for $10. And when people buy this for $10, you're going to earn here $30 commission. So going back to Fiverr, you want to copy your link, and just notice how this is a very, very long link. We can't exactly send that to anyone. So what I would recommend you do is go to tinyurl.com, and then you can just go ahead and paste in this link, and you can call it. Okay, so now you've got your link. So now we can copy this link here, and this link is a much shorter, a much more appealing link than this long one here, which goes on forever. So now you've got your link, and every time someone clicks on your link, it will take them to this page here, and if they buy it for $10, again, you're going to earn $30 in commission every single time you get a new buyer to go to Fiverr and buy that gig. So now we need to find people who need a t-shirt design, and we need to go ahead and get the product in front of their eyes and link them to Fiverr so we can start earning commissions. And here's how you do that. There are a couple of different ways you can do it. There's no right or wrong here, but I'll show you a couple of methods. You can run with the one that you like the best. So the first place you want to try, and this isn't the best traffic, but you can find some good opportunities on Twitter. If you go to the Twitter search bar, and you can see here, I've already tried this with logo design. So if you choose to promote a logo design, this is going to work a little bit better on Twitter. I've just chose a hard one for the video for some reason. So you can go to Twitter and you can search for tweets containing specific words. So if I go ahead and type here, need t-shirt design, and then click enter, we could find people here who need a t-shirt designed. Make sure you spell it right though. So here you can see you need a graphic designer to design a shirt for a documentary. Here you can see someone, they need to write an essay on the t-shirt, which isn't exactly the perfect match for us. I need a good shirt maker. These already have designs. And you want to scroll through these. I need a new shirt design. I need to design. You guys need to make shirts with designs. So you want to scroll through these, right? And some of these aren't going to be speaking about the exact thing that you're looking for. But this top one here is a perfect example. Need a graphic designer to design a shirt for a documentary I'm producing. Now you need to find those people who are looking for something which people on Fiverr can do for them for pretty cheap. So I could go ahead and click on this link. And I might be a bit late to this tweet because people have probably already replied doing this exact method. You can see people are doing this, it does work. You can then go ahead and say, like this guy has put here, I offer design work, here's my portfolio. You could then say, a lot of designers are in your messages already probably, but if you want to get it cheap on Fiverr for $10, here's the link. And by doing that, what you're saying is, you're being very cool about it. You're just saying, if you want to go ahead and get it on Fiverr, here's a link to Fiverr, go and buy it. It's a very nonchalant way of plugging your link. You don't come across as spammy, you just come across as trying to help. And if he buys it, you're going to earn $30. So that's one way. You can go through Twitter and you can find all these people wanting the things that you have to offer on Fiverr, or somebody else can offer on Fiverr. Now, another unique method is to go to YouTube. And if you go to YouTube, and don't worry, you're not going to have to make any videos, but if you go to YouTube and you type in how to make more money on YouTube, or something along those lines of making money, increasing revenue. So if you then go ahead and click on one of these videos, and then you pause it, and then you go down into the comment section below, you'll see now 9,000 YouTubers who already have an account but are looking to make more money. So if you go sort by and newest, you can see there's different YouTubers here who are saying thank you for this information, who could do with an extra revenue source for their YouTube channel. Now what you can do is you can approach them and basically just say, hey, you can get a good t-shirt designed on Fiverr for $10. Click on this link and buy it. Then you can go ahead and sell these t-shirts on a website like Teespring. Teespring will do all of the fulfillment for you, and you can have merchandise for less than $10 that your viewers can buy and you can earn more money with. Give them a sales pitch and really sell them on the idea of getting merch designed and then uploading that merch design to a website like Teespring, and tell them that they can make more money if they offer merchandise to their viewers. This is a great method because these channels are already looking to make more money. So if you go ahead and offer them a service, then they're going to take you up on that offer. So there are so many ways that you can promote this. You can do this with logo design, you can do this with website design, thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails, Twitch graphics. There are so many different niches you can go into, and there are unlimited people you can sell to. Thank you for watching. Make sure you do comment if you're going to try this method, and watch this method if you do need a new one.